Vocabulary. Beach. Pronunciation. B. E. Smile. B. Ch. Beach. They're at the beach. Pronunciation. Beach. Repeat. Very good. Continuous action. S. W. Sw. I. Swi. Swim. Swim is the simple action. Continuous. Swimming. Swim me. Swim me. Swimming. In the moment now, they are swimming. In the water. In the ocean. So remember, they are at the beach and they are in the water, in the ocean. Pronunciation, ocean. O. Sh. Osh. E. Oshe. N. Ocean. Pronunciation, ocean. Repeat. Very good. Let's practice. Where are they?
They are at the beach.
Very good. Question. Where are they? Respond. Very good. Question. What are they doing?
They are swimming in the ocean.
Very good. Question. What are they doing? Respond. Very good. Question. Are they swimming too?
Yes, they are swimming too.
Very good. Question. Are they swimming too? Respond. Very good. Vocabulary. Water. W. A. Wa. D. Wad. Water. Remember, with the no t, water, American pronunciation, water. Water. Pronunciation, water. Repeat. Very good. So they are playing in the water. Sand. S. A. Sa. N. San. D. Sand. Sand. Pronunciation, sand. Repeat. Very good. They are playing in the sand. A ball. B. A. Ball. L. Ball. Ball. He is playing with a ball. Pronunciation. W. I. With. With. Connector with. He is playing with a ball. They are playing with a ball. Number for one, a. They are playing in the water. They are playing with a ball. They are playing in the sand. One more vocabulary. Ice cream. Ice cream. Pronunciation. I. S. Ice. K. Ice. K. Ice cur. E. Ice cream. Ice cream. He is eating ice cream. Pronunciation, ice cream. Repeat. Very good. Let's practice. Question. Are they playing in the water?
Yes, they are playing in the water.
Very good. Question. Are they playing in the water? Respond. Very good. Are they playing in the sand?
Yes, they are playing in the sand.
Are they playing in the sand? Respond. Very good. Are they playing with a ball?
Yes, they are playing with a ball.
Question. Are they playing with a ball? Respond. Very good. Are they eating ice cream?
Yes, they are eating ice cream.
Question. What are they eating? Respond. Very good. More practice. What are they doing?
They are playing in the water.
Very good. What are they doing? Respond. Very good. What are they doing?
They are playing in the sand.
Question. What are they doing? Respond. Very good. What is he doing?
He is playing with a ball.
What is he doing? Respond. Very good. What are they doing?
They are playing with a ball in the water.
Question. What are they doing? Respond. Very good. What is he doing?
He is eating ice cream.
Question. What is he doing? Respond. Good job. Vocabulary. Pool. Pronunciation. Ooh. Poo. Pool. We have the sound oo to l, extra sound. Pool. Pool. They are playing in the pool. They are swimming in the pool. They are at the pool. Location at. Pronunciation pool. Repeat. Very good. Action. L, a, la, f, laugh. E, laughy. Laughing. Laugh is the simple action. Continuous laughing. 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 Ha 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 ha. Laughing. We see GH sound. F, f, laugh. Laughing. Pronunciation. Laughing. Repeat. Very good. L, ow, loud. D, loud. They are loud. They are not quiet. Quiet, loud. Opposite. Pronunciation, loud. Repeat. Very good. Let's practice. Question. Where are they?
They are at the pool.
Very good. Where are they? Respond. Very good. Where are they swimming?
They are swimming in the pool.
Very good. Question. Where are they swimming? Respond. Very good. Question. Are they playing with a ball?
Yes, they are playing with a ball.
Are they playing with a ball? Respond. Very good. Are they having fun?
Yes, they're having fun.
Are they having fun? Respond. Very good. Are they laughing?
Yes, they are laughing.
Question. Are they laughing? Respond. Very good. Are they quiet?
No, they are not quiet. They
What?
are loud.
That's right, they are loud. Question. Are they quiet? Respond. Are they loud? Respond. Very good.